Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. In this video, we are going to see what is a determinant and how to find the determinant of a square matrix. Consider two linear equations a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2 can be represented as a1, a2, b1, b2, xy equal to c1, c2. If you find the product of this and equating the corresponding element, you will be getting the original equation. This is a way to represent the given equations in matrix form. Now we are going to check whether we will get a unique solution or not by using the condition. I hope you all remember the condition for it. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, where a1, a2, b1, b2 are coefficients of x and y in the equation. So if it is not equal, then we can say that the given equation has unique solution. So which means a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0. So this shows that this equation has unique solution. So the number a1 b2 minus a2 b1 which determines the uniqueness of a solution is associated with a matrix A equal to a1 b1 a2 b2. So this is the number. When you calculate a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that will give you a number. This number is associates with the matrix A. So this is called the determinant of a given matrix A, and it is denoted by determinant of A or det A, or otherwise we can denote this as del or determinant A. We are not supposed to read this as modulus A. This is determinant of A. Now for example, we will take 2 cross 2 matrix A equal to 5 minus 3 2 1. Now we are going to find out determinant of this matrix. So determinant of A equal to 5 cross 1 minus 2 cross minus 3. So 5 ones are 5, minus into minus plus, so answer is 11. Now we are going to find out determinant of a matrix of order 1, order 2, order 3. We can find determinant only for square matrix. So now we will take order 1. A is equal to 5. It is 1 cross 1 matrix. Order is 1 cross 1. So determinant A is 5. So this is the number associated with the given matrix. So element is itself determinant value. Now for order 2, A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix A, B, C, D. Now determinant is equal to del is equal to product of AD minus CD, CB. So AD minus BC. Now for order 3, we can find the determinant of order 3 matrix in 6 ways. Consider a matrix A, A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. I hope you all know how to write this. 1, 1, 1, 2 and all representing the position of the element. Now we are going to find out this matrix of this determinant by expanding row 1. So we can find determinant by expanding row 1, row 2, row 3 or column 1, column 2, column 3. So there are 6 ways. Now I am going to expand row 1. Now we are going to find out determinant of A of the 3 cross 3 matrix. I am going to expand row 1. Determinant A, first take the first row element, that is A11, A12, A13. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1. What is it? So it is nothing but the position of the element A11. So 1 plus 1, sum of the suffixes. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 A11. Now remove the respective row and column. A1, now you are taking A11. So remove the first row and first column. Take the second order determinant. That is the remaining is A22, A32, A23, A33. So determinant of the second order determinant. Plus minus 1, that is you are taking second element A12. So sum of 1 and 2, minus 1 power 1 plus 2 A12. Now remove the respective row and column, that is second column and first row. So the remaining element is A21, A23, A31, A33. So determinant of the two second order determinant. Plus minus 1 power 1 plus 3, that is third element A13. So 1 plus 3, sum of the suffixes. Now remove the respective column, that is third column and first row. So what are the remaining elements? A21, A22, A31, A32. So now I hope you all know how to find the determinant of the 2 cross 2 matrix. A11 minus 1 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 power even number will give you positive, odd number negative. So A11 into A22 A33 product of these two minus these two. So A22 A33 minus A32 A23. Now come to the second set, minus 1 power 1 plus 2, that is power is the odd number, so minus A12, again product of these two minus product of these two. Now 1 plus 3 4, that is even number, so plus A13 product of this minus product of this. So the value of the determinant is A11 into minus A12 plus A13. Now we are going to find the same determinant by expanding column 2. So either you can find out a determinant value by expanding any row or any column. So 1 or 2 examples I am given here. You try out the remaining things. So expanding C2, column 2 elements are A12, A22, A32. So what are the respective sign here? Minus 1 power, first element is A12. So 1 plus 2, A12, remove the respective column and row. First row, second column. The remaining numbers are here. Plus second element of this is A22, 2 plus 2 4, so minus 1 power 2 plus 2 A22, write the remaining A11 A33, then A13 A31. Now plus third element is A32, so 3 plus 2 A32, so leave the respective row and column, write the remaining element here. Now find out the determinant. Minus 1 power odd number, so minus 1 power even number, so plus, odd number minus. Now product of this minus this, product of this minus this, product of this minus this. So will give you the same value. Now see, we don't want to write each and every time minus 1 power 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 2 and all. Directly you write the respective sign. So what are the respective signs of the elements? A11, so even number, plus, odd number minus. So these are the respective signs. If you are going to expand the first column, use this sign, second column, third column, or first row, second row, third row. These are the respective signs. You don't want to write minus 1 power something for each and every time. Now we'll see example. So now we'll see one example. Take 3 cross 3 matrix, 1 minus 1 4, 2 3 1 4 0 0. So now we are going to find out determinant of A by expanding column 3. So column 3, what are the respective signs for column 3? Plus, minus, plus. Because A13, A23, A33. So even, odd, even. So plus, minus, plus. So take the first element 4 and leave the respective column and row. That is third column and first row. Write the remaining number. That is 2 cross 2. Minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Then what is the respective sign? Minus. So minus element is 0 into, leave the second row and third column. 1, 2, 4, 1. Respective sign is plus, 0, leave this and this, that is third column and third row. The remaining numbers are 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Actually we don't want to write this and all because 0 into any number is 0. And one more thing, for the easier calculation, while expanding row or column, you need to select the row which is containing more number of zeros, row or column. So in this matrix, third column contains 2 zeros. So that is why we have selected C3. So now 4 into product of this, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus of product of this, that is minus 12. For the remaining 2 set is 0. So 4 into minus 13, that is minus 52. So selection of row and column is your wish, that based on the number of zeros. Okay, now we'll see next example. Find the value of x for which 3xx1 is equal to 3241. We cannot equate the respective elements, whereas in matrix you will equate the respective elements. When you equate the elements, you will be getting x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. That is two different values. But here what is given? The determinant of this is equal to determinant of this. So first to find out the determinant of LHS and RHS, then solve the equation. So product of this, 3 into 1, so 3 minus product of this, x into x is x square, equal to product of 3 and 1 is 3 minus product of this is 8. So now cancel 3 and 3. The remaining is minus x square is equal to minus 8. Cancel minus and minus. You will be getting x square equal to 8. So x equal to, when you are taking square root on both sides, you will be getting x equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. So this is the value of x. Now the examples are over. Now try the exercise problem. We'll see the properties in the next video.